Yo, what's good? What's good? So I'm going to do a quick rundown on my withdraw. Okay, so this is from the email itself. So right here you can see we did our withdraw request right here, and they replied saying they will process in 24 to 48 hours, in which they did. Okay, MFF is really good. Okay, so you can see it is email from my forex funds. And then we have then the payout was confirmed. Let's just click on that. Okay, yeah, you can see the payout was processed. It was 1116 USD. Okay, and then they refunded my initial pay bonus. Okay, and then the phase 2 bonus as well. Okay, and it was sent to my bank account, on which I'll be jumping on the computer on my phone right now to show you. Okay, and then after that we had immediately after receiving the money. Okay, this is the goal. When you start with your challenge, make sure you start with the small one, like 10K challenge. Okay, it's only $84. Once you pass, now you can and withdraw the funds, use that money to pay for the next challenge. Okay, 100,000. Okay, so immediately after I received my money, okay, I'll be jumping on my phone right now to show you the cash. Okay, so immediately after I received the money, you can see what I did. It's almost the same day, like it was the following day. Okay, so I saw this email the following day and the money as well. Okay, so you can see October 15th. Today is like November 4th or something. Like it's just a few weeks ago. Okay, I did not want to show but it's okay. It will help. If it will help you, it will help motivate you become a better trader, or maybe to take action to see there's a way forward, not just trading with small amounts. Okay, there's a way forward to getting funded, and it's possible and it's working. Okay, then let it be. Okay, so then after the payout confirmation and I received my money, or this one here. Okay, I made like 13% last month. Okay, in which that is the same course that I'm teaching. You can contact me. The link is in the description below if you want to learn how I trade. It's only $79 or $150 for one-on-one session if you want to. Okay, if you want to upgrade your trading. Okay, so let's go to the next. Immediately after I received my money on 15th, I paid from the 10K account. I paid for the next challenge, 100,000 USD. Okay, I paid for the next challenge on which I'm working on right now. Okay, so once I'm done, I will definitely tell you. Okay, so that is what I'm talking about. So on top of that, I have like 7 pro firms that will fund me like a total of, I don't know, like $14 million or something. Okay, all of them combined. So if you get my course, I'll be able to tell you exactly all the pro firms that I'm taking, the safest, everything that I've researched on them. Okay, and also how to manage all of them together using only one account. Like you'll not need to click all these all these pro firms, take the trades. Okay, I'll show you how I will be managing all the accounts together, just taking one trade, and it is opened on every single pro firm that I will be having. Okay, so make sure you check the link in the description if you want to get my course, learn how I trade. Okay, it's very easy. It's possible to pass these challenges. It's possible to get funded. It's possible to upgrade. Okay, yeah, so after receiving this, you can even check the messages are from my pro firm. You can see the emails are from my pro firms here, and this is definitely the email. You can see this is not a screenshot. Okay, you can even see my email right here. This is my email right here. It's not a screenshot. Okay, so yeah, after that, after I paid, I don't want to click on my account details because this one here, after I paid, I received my account details that I'm working on right now on the 100,000 USD, because I have my details, my login details right there. So I don't want people to mess up with my login details. Okay. Yeah, so that's it. That's it for today. So let me jump really quick on my phone to show you exactly what happened there. So if you want to grab my course, check the link in the description below. Contact me directly on Telegram. Okay, I will hook you on the course as well. It's only $79. You learn from the videos. Okay, and if you want to get taken through personally by me, okay, via Zoom call, it will cost you only $150, one-time payment on each of them, okay? I don't charge subscriptions, it's only one-time payment so that I can make sure I deliver whatever I promised, okay? And lifetime, okay? Anytime you need me, I'll be right there to help you, okay? So that's it, that's my payout. Let's jump really quick on the phone. Boom, so you can see it's exactly the same date that I received, okay? October 16th, okay? So my bank is very quick. They normally process the payment on the same day, okay? So if I'm sent on 16th, they'll process immediately, okay? Some banks take like 2 business days or something, but my bank is really quick. I use NCBA Bank and has been quite good for me, okay? So here we are, 16th. You can see I received, my account was credited with Kenyan shillings, 115,000 Kenyan shillings, okay? It's right here. Okay, that's around $1,011.15 or something like that. You will just convert, okay? Just convert depending on the conversion rate. Okay, so that's it. And then immediately after I paid that, you can see I spent the money immediately. I don't know even how long it took. The money entered 7:51 a.m. in the morning, and then when I saw the message at 9 a.m., okay, that is after my trading session, that's when I check on my phone. I paid for the 100K immediately, okay? So you don't spend, you can see right here, 499 USD, okay? So don't spend the money before you invest. When you get your profits, invest immediately, and then once you invest, now you can spend the rest, okay? So that's it for today. I hope this has helped you become gain faith, okay, in whatever you'll be doing, okay? Trading is possible. All these challenges you see people passing are all possible, okay? It's not a scam. It's all possible, okay? It's working, okay? So make sure you spend your time wisely, okay? Instead of going through the failures like everyone else do, okay? You better get a course. It will shorten and at least ease your journey. It's not guaranteeing that you become a good trader, okay? But it's easing your journey, okay? It will probably lead you to become a better trader faster. The problem with trading is that trading you can lose forever for the rest of your life. You can lose trading for the rest of your life. This is not like school where you just finish school and you can get a job, and once you get fired you can still get another job. It doesn't matter if you're good at whatever you're doing or not, okay? But in trading you can lose every single day for the rest of your life, and the market doesn't give a fuck, okay? The market doesn't care. It will take your money every single day and still never care. So you better ease your journey by at least learning from someone. Or if you don't want to learn from someone, you can take like the time that we took, like 4 years. It takes 4 to 5 years for you to master anything without help, okay? That's around 10,000 hours for like 2 years plus, but on average most people take 4 to 5 years, okay? So you can decide to go that route, or maybe just grab a course and learn from someone, okay? It will ease your journey, okay? And make it easier for you to propel faster, okay? So that's it for today. I hope this motivates you. I hope this video gives you hope, okay? To continue grinding, okay? Never give up. People always say that, but for sure, never give up. It will not be easy, but probably when you learn from someone, it will be a little bit easier, okay? So that's it for today. Let's meet on the other side, okay?